What's up, everyone? This is a video about how to set up Voicemeeter Banana. Make sure you download Voicemeeter Banana and the virtual cable, and we'll be able to get this done. All right, up here. Up. All right. So here we go. You paying attention, Max?
Oh, you have the banana one. Okay, I didn't know that one. That was my first mistake. Was not downloading the banana.
Oh my gosh, I said banana. Fire. All right, you're paying attention.
I guess, yeah.
All right, so down here, you're gonna go to. Yeah. And you're gonna set output device to Voicemeeter input. This one, VAIO, not the aux. Voicemeeter input. Okay. That's gonna set everything to default to that. Next. Oh yeah, okay. Virtual cable. If you download the virtual cable, you're gonna set this one, whatever your music source is. It could be the browser, it could be Spotify. You're gonna set the speakers to audio virtual cable, and you gotta download the. It's a separate download. All right. So with that set, your A1, you're gonna set to. I have my headset. HyperX Cloud Revolver. If you have a second one, like I have my Wonder Boom, you set that to the second one, A2.
Okay.
Now right here, you're gonna set it to cable output. That's the audio virtual cable. My Spotify.
Okay.
And so I press this right here. I don't even hear it, but you hear it on stream.
How does it know that it's Spotify?
Because you set it in the sound volume mixer. This tells you that it's the audio virtual cable, and you assign this one to audio virtual cable, so it separates the audio.
Gotcha.
And then, like literally, this I can change the volume for myself, and it doesn't change for stream. Or I can just completely mute it, and nothing changes on stream, unless I change it on Spotify or on OBS. So I can set the music really low if I want to hear it still, or I can just mute it altogether.
What about your game?
The game will be this one right here, the virtual inputs, Voicemeeter VAIO. Your audio, the one we set first right here. Audio Voicemeeter VAIO. That's this one right here. Right. And same thing right here. You can adjust the volume for yourself right here, or you can just mute it, or you can set it to the Wonder Boom.
Wait, hold on. There's an ad. Why is there an ad on Twitch?
Well, it's Twitch for you. Watch on Trovo.
Yeah.
Kumanis, what's going on?
Some random ad just pulled up. Okay, go ahead.
Alright, so that's Voicemeeter VAIO. So I can turn off my headset and listen through the Wonder Room just by switching these. Or you can do both, it doesn't matter. And same thing on stream. I can adjust the volume for myself, but it doesn't change for the stream. You set it and forget it on stream. Once you got it nice and balanced on stream, you can adjust it for yourself here. And then you can also even increase the bass so you can hear footsteps a little better, you know?
That's cheating.
That's not cheating, that's just audio mixing. Yeah, I mean, it's pretty much as easy as that. Download Voicemeeter Banana, get the audio virtual cable. You set it in the volume mixer. Voicemeeter input VAIO. But then set whatever your audio source is. Like I said, it could be anything. It could be Spotify, it could be Google. The only problem with Google is you'll just have to remember that that's set on a different audio source, right? So you could even do it like it's a separate browser. If you want to just do, you don't want to fuck with your normal browser, you can open up Edge, because no one who the fuck uses Edge, right? Well, you can open up Edge and use that as your the player, right? And set that separate on the audio virtual cable. And then you set audio virtual cable right here. And that's what your music is. Your music is dedicated to that one right there. Everything else is here.
I hope you guys found that informative. If you guys got any questions, leave them down below. Make sure you guys subscribe. I'll be doing some more tech reviews and whatnot in the near future. All right.